Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance card. This card empowers you to seamlessly spend your cryptocurrency holdings for daily purchases, just like a traditional debit card. We'll walk through the straightforward application process, from initial setup to final approval. You'll learn about the eligibility requirements and the essential steps to activate your card. Get ready to unlock a new level of financial flexibility with your crypto assets, making them accessible for everyday transactions. To begin, ensure you have a fully verified Binance account, as this is a fundamental requirement. Next, locate the dedicated card section within your Binance mobile application or on the website. Here, you will initiate the application process by providing necessary personal details. Be prepared to complete a robust identity verification, often involving submitting a government-issued ID and a selfie. This crucial step ensures security and compliance, typically taking only a few minutes to process. Once your card is approved and activated, funding it is straightforward. You can transfer cryptocurrency directly from your Binance Spot wallet to your card wallet. When you make a purchase, your crypto is automatically converted to the local fiat currency at the exact moment of the transaction. This means you can spend your digital assets effortlessly at over 60 million merchants globally, wherever Visa is accepted. Enjoy the convenience of instant conversions without manual exchanges. The Binance card offers compelling benefits, including the potential to earn up to 8% cashback on eligible purchases, depending on your BNB holdings. You'll also appreciate the absence of administrative fees, making it a cost-effective way to spend your crypto. For optimal use, always monitor your card balance and transaction history directly within the Binance app. This card provides a secure and rewarding method to integrate your digital assets into your daily financial life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.